Hello guys, welcome back to my this channel. It's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials and website review. If you're new here, kindly like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how you can create coloring book for kids using AI or Canva for beginners, and I'm going to be showing you step-by-step tutorial, and also I'll show you how to generate the colorful images and also to turn them to coloring books. So make sure you watch the video until the end so that you don't miss any point and also you don't miss any details on how to generate a coloring book. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do here is to have an idea of what we want to create the coloring book for kids. So the first thing, we need to go to Amazon. So as you can see here on Amazon, I have an idea of what I want to create. So example, it's unicorn coloring books for kids. So let's just scroll and see the one that have so many sales. As you can see here, we have one here. So we just need to open it. So as you can see, it's selling for $6. We need to scroll up to here down so that we need to know the dimension and number of pages that I have. So we can go with 100 or 105. And also the dimension, it's 8.5 by 11 inches. Yeah, as you can see. So also you need to go maybe through the reviews of the customer who have purchased the coloring book. Now that we have an idea of what we want to create, the next thing that we need to do here is come to ChatGPT. And also, if you don't have an idea of what you want to create, you can come here to ChatGPT and ask it to give me 10 coloring books idea for kids that are both entertaining and educative. You can see here they have given us alphabet adventure, the coloring books where have letter A to Z, numbers and counting. We have shapes and exploration around the world, animal kingdom, space exploration, healthy habits, etc, etc. So if you want to specify, you can add a good prompt with what you have, but because I had an idea of what I want, it's a unicorn coloring book. So I just came here to ChatGPT and requested ChatGPT, I want to create a coloring book for unicorn for kids. Give 30 kawaii idea prompts to generate images. As you can see here, it has given us 30 images. 30 prompts. So the next thing that we need to do here is go to Canva. And if you don't have an account, you can try the pro version for free for 30 days. So after you have logged in here, we need to come here to custom size. So our custom size, it's 8.5 by 11. So this is so easy. So make sure you watch until so that you can know what we need to create. So the next thing that we need to do here is to create our border. We need to come here to elements and come here to shapes. So we just need to choose this one. I'm going to show you why we need that, because we need to have borders. When you're uploading on Amazon KDP, you need to have a trim size so that you don't go beyond here. So we need to change our borders to line, and also we need to change our color to white. So our images will be in here, in between here. Next thing that we need to do here is come here to apps and then click on magic. Search here magic media. We need to open the first one here, then come back here to PT, copy our prompt, copy, then come back here to Canva and paste it here. So you can do some editing and also make sure you go through the editing. So for this tutorial, I need to click on anime. I don't want to go with none. Let me click on anime, and then it's going to generate 4 images. You can choose the one that you like. We can choose this one, we can choose the second. So let me go with this one. So let me drag it. I'm going to drag it like that. So there we are. So the next thing that I need to do here, I need to download it. As I told you, we need to generate these images, then go to another website so that we can turn this colorful image coloring instead of just requesting it to give us a coloring. So the next thing that we need to do here, I want you to come to this website. It's called onlinerapidresizer.com. Click on select image from your device. See the outcome. Like, wow. You can also choose during your prompt to exclude the flowers. So the next thing that I need to do here is to download. We need to download on print. So we need to click save on your computer. Then come back here to coloring book. That's why I have told you it's a bit tiresome, but it's give you a better result. So we need to come here to upload. You can also choose to drag it like that. So let's just upload it. So here we have our image, so we just need to put it here. Then we resize it to the size of our interior page. So there we go. So that is our first one. We need to leave that blank because of the back of that image. So we need to come here to Magic Media. As you can see here, we have these four. You can choose also to use them, or you can choose to regenerate the image again. So you need to come here to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, then come back here. So as you can see here, we have a few. So we can choose to go with this one. Let me drag it like that. I need to download it again. Image. So you tick this and then you choose the one that you want to download. Then click on download. Then come here to online rapid resizer. Click on select image on your device. So here we have it. So let's see the outcome of this one. This is not so good. So we can change the prompt. So let me just it's to do the same process. Generate the image from Magic Media, then download it, then go back to online resizer and then animate them to drawing. So the next thing that we need to do here, we want to create a book cover. As you can see here, look how amazing it is. Although not so perfect, but it is a good coloring book, as you can see. The next thing we need to do is to create a cover book. So we just need to go to KDP or Amazon calculator, then come here to binding type. We need to choose paperback. Interior, it's a black and white. Paper type, it's white. Direction is right to left, and then measurements, it's inches. So our trim size, it's going to be 11.5 by 11, this one. The number of pages, let's say it's 50, although we have 52. And then we need to go to calculate dimension. The next thing I need to extract. So this is the process on how to extract the paperback. Click on extract all. Choose where you want it to go. For me, I want it to go to downloads. Then I click on extract. So the process is, so me, I'm just going to replace. Okay, so it's just the same, but it has changed the dimension. The left to right. So let me just upload here. So this is our next one. So we're not going to use this one. So this is the correct one. Now this. So the next thing that we need to do here is to look for our front cover. So let me just scroll. So I'm just going to use one of the images that we generated. No need to go back and generate another one. So I'm just choosing the one I'll feel it's a bit cute. So let's see. For me, I think this one is a bit better, the first one. So we need to make sure our image go inside these red marks here. The next thing that, guys, we need a name. So we just need to come here and type unicorn color. We can just first type unicorn, then put it here. Then the next do here it's to. So I changed the background of the book because I felt the green it's a bit better. So then the next thing that we need to do here, we need to change our font. You can change to any font of that places here. Let me go with that and see. Okay, for the unicorn, we can also choose the same or change to something else. So for the effect, I can choose for it. I want it to bed the unicorn, and then so guys, the next thing that we do after writing our name and also we write the gender, we need to add the background of our book cover with some few images. So I'll just need to come here and choose a few. So we can add 3 or 4. Add a princess, we can choose. So let me change this one. I think let me go back to pink. So it's not that bad, but I'll go with that. Although it's not that perfect, but look at it. So this one, let me reduce the size a little bit. So I'm just resizing so that they can seem to be of the same size. So I think that's not bad. So the next thing that we need to do here, we need to come here, then click download. So for us to download, we need to download it in PDF print, and then we click download. So guys, sorry for keeping you for so long, but that is for today. See you guys in my next video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. Bye.